If you are on Facebook and you're a home business entrepreneur, you may have started getting friend requests from people that you don't already know. Well, there is a right way and a wrong way to handle these requests. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and I'm going to walk you through how you, as an online entrepreneur, should handle friend requests from people that you don't already know on Facebook so that you can really capitalize on the Facebook platform. No matter what type of business that you run, it's important to network. Building relationships is a key piece to being able to take your business to the next level. And by networking, no, I don't mean that you're trying to sell your products, services, or opportunity to every single person that you talk to. Most people you talk to aren't going to be a good fit for your offer. That's just fine. But that initial sale really isn't the most valuable part of a relationship. When you network and you nurture those relationships, they can be very, very fruitful. You don't really know where it could lead down the road, but they may teach you something that completely changes your business. Or they just simply connect you to someone who just revolutionizes what you're doing in your business. Maybe they connect you with someone for a massive deal or a big collaboration that changes everything. So it's important to network. Now, with that in mind, how do you leverage Facebook to do so? Well, an easy way to do it is by building a network of supportive and interested friends. Not that they're necessarily interested in purchasing your product, but they are positive and supportive people, especially if they have an entrepreneur sort of mindset. Now, properly managing your friend requests is essential to building a great network. So here are your steps to do it right, starting right after you get a friend request from somebody you don't know. Step number 1. Quickly check out their profile. Scope them out a little bit. Look for any red flags that they are a drama queen or that they're a negative Nancy. Are their posts generally positive? And do they have a smiling picture of their face for their profile picture? If yes, then they pass their first test. If not, then just delete the request. Now, be on the lookout for fake accounts. You will usually receive them from the opposite sex. So guys get requests from really hot girls. Personally, the fake accounts I get are usually middle-aged men, slightly handsome-ish, but older. And they usually have 2 first names instead of a regular first name or a last name, or they've reversed it, so it's a last name and a first name. That doesn't make sense. They also have, when you look at their timeline, a lot of pictures, a lot of profile pictures. But here's the thing, if you actually look a little closer, the dates of all those pictures, when they were all posted, was really recent, within the last few days. And they also like to pose with children, super manipulative and bad. Another thing you'll see is that they claim to be in the US military, often generals or high-ranking people of some sort. And a lot of these guys say that they're widowed as well. Now, you can also often tell if you look at the details that they put into their bio. They just don't make sense. Sometimes they misspell a really famous college like Harvard that they say they went to, or just the details of where they lived or the names of the cities or areas. They just don't make sense. They're usually trying to claim that they're Americans that are now stationed overseas for the military. Just simply delete these requests right away when you get them. Don't even bother messaging with these people or doing anything. Just delete it. It's a waste of your time. If you have a little bit of extra time, then go ahead and report it to Facebook as a fake account and do us all a service. Now, if they appear to be a real account and they pass your test in step 1, you can proceed to step 2. Step 2 is to send them a message asking them why they're reaching out. Usually I say something like, hey, thanks for the friend request. What inspired you to reach out? Why do I do this? Few reasons. Sometimes people have put together a really convincing fake account, and this weeds them out. Takes care of any fake accounts that got past you in step 1. If they respond but completely ignore that question, they probably don't speak English, and or it's likely it's a fake account. Another reason for this is that you only have 5,000 spots for friends on Facebook, and you want to connect with folks who are actually going to talk to you and connect with you. So don't accept a friend request until they respond back with a reasonable answer to your question. I'd usually just go through any requests that I had but once a week, and I'd send off these little test messages to them and see if they'd respond. Then when I would go through those requests the next week, a week later, and I saw that I had already sent a message to that person but I never heard back, easy. Delete. I deleted if they did not respond back to me. Now, on a side note, if you are the one reaching out to new people on Facebook, always send them a message, not just a friend request. This is proper Facebook etiquette, and it's really just being a normal human being. Personally, I have so many friend requests sitting out there these days that I just don't have time to go through them. So the only people that I accept as friends are the ones that send me a message at the same time. No message? I just ignore them. But let's think about this. How weird would it be if you walked up to someone at the mall or at a park and the only thing you said was, I'd like to be friends, and then you walked away? Creepy? Yeah, pretty creepy. If it's weird offline, then it's weird online. Instead, if you walk up to someone and introduce yourself and say why you'd want to connect. Hey, our kids are getting along great on the playground. How would you like to exchange numbers and maybe text and arrange the next time we both show up? That would be normal. That would be accepted. That is socially accepted behavior in real life, and it's the same online. If you follow these basic steps for good Facebook friending etiquette, you can create a meaningful network that can support you and your business long term. Now, if you want to learn more about Facebook marketing, then you need to check out our free 5-day workshop all about Facebook marketing. Just click the link at the top of the description to get access. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe so that we can help you do it, and say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to the next video here, and I'll see you soon.